Welcome back to Diamond Food Review. Well, Subway has a line of new subs out for the summer, and this one is called the Subway New Spicy Sweet Savory Cheesy Garlic Steak. And we're going to go ahead and review it. We're going to dive into it. It's only out for about another month or so, so if you want to get it, you want to get it probably prior to the end of September. It comes with sliced steak, green peppers, red onions, Subway's own subKrunch. Comes with roasted garlic and cheddar cheese. This is a foot long, cost me around $14. So let's dive into it and see what it looks like. Oh yes, nice and hot. You can see the little bits of beef in there. Yeah, it's the steak. It's loaded with it in there. You can see all the cheese in there, the cheddar cheese. So let's dive into it, see what it tastes like. Take another bite. Mm-hmm. So my honest opinion is, when I dive into it, first thing I taste is definitely the the bits of steak that they have in there. I'm tasting garlic, not too much of the red onions, but I'm tasting the green peppers. The cheddar cheese is there. I taste that. It doesn't have too much of an overwhelming taste of the garlic sprinkle stuff that they have in there. I can also taste the Subway crunch that they actually sprinkle on there. It's their own little bits and pieces of crunch on there. So let me see if I can see. I'm not sure if you can see it on there. Let me take one off. That's what it looks like. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this a 7.5. It's pretty good. You get a rich taste of all the steak in there. The bun, though, is tough. The bun is sort of on the tough side. They did toast it. So, yeah, I'd give it a 7.5. So there you have it, my honest opinion from Diamond Food Review. Thank you for tuning in. God bless. See you next time.